In the mouth of a happy little girl named Nora, there was the kingdom of teeth. The teeth were living creatures, each with a unique personality, and together they kept the city healthy and shining. One of these teeth, the rescue tooth, was a strong and brave front tooth who was always ready to help others. One day Nora ate too many sweets, chocolates and soda after her birthday party. This caused the chocolate king, a large and evil creature representing harmful foods, to enter the kingdom of teeth. He and his crew, such as Lord Soda, Duchess, Caramel, and Baron Gummy, attacked the teeth. The chocolate king shouted with his evil laugh, "This will be my new kingdom, shiny and healthy teeth no more. We'll make everything sweet and sticky." Rescue Tooth's request for help, realizing the great danger, Rescue Tooth decided to send a message to the magic toothbrush and the protective toothpaste. But to reach them, he had to cross the sticky forest and the sea of syrup. He set off on an adventurous journey with his friends, Grinding Tooth and Brave Fang. In the sticky forest, the Chocolate King's crew, like caramel drops and gummy bears, tried to block the way for Rescue Tooth and his friends. But Grinding Tooth crushed the obstacles, and Brave Fang opened the way with his strength. In the sea of syrup, their boat got stuck in sticky syrup. But by working together and using the power of saliva, the symbol of mouthwash, they were able to overcome this obstacle. When the Rescue Tooth arrived at the Chocolate King's realm, the magic toothbrush and the protective toothpaste joined in. A great battle began. The magic toothbrush quickly removed the glue, and syrup, the protective toothpaste, created magical foam, making the teeth healthy again. Finally, the Chocolate King and his crew were defeated and retreated to a corner of the realm. The teeth shone again, and the Tooth Kingdom returned to its former beauty and health. The Rescue Tooth reminded everyone, if you don't forget to brush your teeth and eat healthy, the Chocolate King will never be able to defeat us. This story teaches children the importance of eating healthy, avoiding unhealthy foods, and taking care of their teeth in a fun and adventurous way.